Good day to everybody out there to see thy wealth, water your health, drink a glass of water. And it's a lot going on down in the southern states. Long, large-lived tornadoes are tearing across the south after a deadly outbreak last night. Large tornadoes are carving paths of destruction across the south for the second day in a row as a deadly storm system churns across the United States. EF4 or EF5 tornadoes, the most violent on the damage scale, are possible if not likely. Dozens of warnings are being issued in rapid fire succession Saturday afternoon in Mississippi and soon Alabama. Several storms are producing what appears to be large, long-lived tornadoes. Forecasters at the National Weather Service are pleading with residents to stay aware of the weather and heed the warnings today. This is no longer a risk of deadly storms. It's an ongoing disaster. Many are for tornadoes that are generating a significant amount of debris. Clouds of dirt, trees and destroyed structures hurled into the air so high they can be detected by radar, which is confirmation to forecasters that deadly twisters are on the ground. It's messy down there. One such tornado in Mississippi triggered a tornado emergency, the most urgent type of tornado warning, after radar indicated it was launched debris 5 miles into the air. Wow. The outbreak follows a night of devastating weather in the Midwest and South Friday night, which unleashed a series of tornadoes that left at least 11 dead in Missouri. Missouri ain't South. The outbreak of tornadoes raked through towns under the cover of darkness, the most dangerous and deadly time for a tornado outbreak. The magnitude of the overnight damage is still unclear. The outbreaks are a part of a major cross-country low-pressure system that has killed at least 17 people so far and pounded the central U.S. with hurricane-force gusts, creating a blinding dust storm and fanning wildfire flames. Large tornadoes in the south now. A significant tornado outbreak is going on in Mississippi early Saturday. Missouri deaths. You got in Missouri, the tornado outbreak late Friday left at least 11 dead. You got Texas deaths. At least 3 people died Friday in vehicle collisions in Texas when heavy winds generated severe dust storms and reduced visibility, according to local authorities. 2 of those fatalities were reported in separate collisions in Palmer County in the southwestern Texas Panhandle. Texas Department of Public Safety Sergeant Cindy Barkley told CNN Friday evening. Another driver died in a crash on Interstate 40 in Gray County, she said. Arkansas deaths. At least 3 people died and 29 were injured due to severe weather in Arkansas overnight. The deaths were reported in Independence County in the northern part of the state, and injuries were reported in 8 counties. The Arkansas Division of Emergency Management reported damage in 16 counties. Exceptional tornado threat Saturday today. Forecasters are warning the tornado threat will escalate after Friday's outbreak spawned at least 25 reported tornadoes across the central U.S. and south. Violent EF4 or stronger tornadoes capable of traveling long distances are possible across the deep south. A tornado watch indicating a particularly dangerous situation was issued for more than 3 million people in parts of Louisiana and much of Mississippi, including Jackson, late Saturday morning as dangerous tornado-producing storms develop. The rare designation is meant to signal the possibility of exceptionally strong storms and tornadoes, which is why the watch called for numerous long-lasting and strong tornadoes. More than 130 fires in Oklahoma. Fast-spreading fires started popping up in Oklahoma and the Texas Panhandle Friday afternoon. Fueled by strong winds amid bone-dry conditions, the state battled more than 130 wildfires across 44 counties. Wow. According to the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management. Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt signed an executive order Saturday morning declaring a state of emergency in 12 counties due to Friday's dangerous wildfires and straight-line winds. In the Texas Panhandle, evacuations were temporarily required in Lake Tanglewood, Texas, just outside of Amarillo, according to the Randall County Sheriff's Office. A fire in Robert County has burned through an estimated 23,000 acres. and is only 50% contained according to the Texas A&M Forest Service. You got a high death toll in Missouri. The tornado outbreak late Friday left at least 11 dead and several injured. 6 deaths were reported at several campgrounds in Wayne County, according to Wayne County Emergency Manager Waylon Freeze. Missouri Highway Patrol reported 1 fatality in Jefferson County. 2 fatalities were reported in the Bakersfield area of Ozark County, where emergency crews are working to assess damage and assist those affected, according to the Missouri State Highway Patrol. 1 injured storm victim in the county died early Saturday morning. There's a lot going on. What to expect Saturday? Another round of severe thunderstorms fired up on Saturday morning, this morning, and ignited that what will likely be an even more dangerous tornado outbreak than Friday's. Numerous significant tornadoes are expected Saturday into Sunday morning across the Deep South, according to the Storm Prediction Center, which issued a rare level 5 of 5 high risk of severe thunderstorms for the day in Alabama and Mississippi. This is the first high risk issued for severe thunderstorms since last May, and only the 5th in the past 5 years, signaling unusual confidence that Saturday could be a devastating day. It's also because the number of tornadoes isn't the only concern. Those that form could be unusually strong and long-lasting, increasing the risk for destruction and deaths. Forecasters warned Saturday's tornadoes could be violent or EF4 or stronger. Only 1% of all tornadoes get this strong, but they account for an outsized 66% of all tornado deaths, according to the Storm Prediction Center. Dangerous storms flared up in eastern Louisiana and Mississippi during late morning. The storms will progress east throughout the day across the Deep South and became more widespread and dangerous by the afternoon as they tracked through Mississippi and Alabama. The storms will also be capable of destructive hurricane force wind gusts. The storms will also be capable of destructive hurricane force wind gusts greater than 74 miles per hour, equivalent to a Category 1 hurricane and large hail. The storms will continue into the late evening and overnight and impact places such as Atlanta after dark. Nighttime tornadoes are nearly twice as likely to be deadly as those occurring during the day, a 2022 study found, as Friday's tornadoes outbreak proved. What is going on with our weather? California fires, tornadoes, wildfires in Texas. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Is it global warming? Or is it just Mother Nature being Mother Nature? Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Is this the act of Mother Nature, or is this global warming and us not taking care of the planet? With that, hopefully everybody in the the southeast and the south and Missouri are taking proper precautions to stay safe during these crazy times with these tornadoes. And everybody in Texas is, evacuating and doing what they need to do to not get burned and, losing their property. It is what it is. You can keep your life, but you can get your property back. So my condolences and my prayers and my thoughts is going to everybody in those states that's going through wildfires, tornadoes, and those crazy winds. Peace.